Tonight at 9, the teenager who shot Sigler has already hired an attorney, and that lawyer plans a vigorous defense on behalf of his client. Jim Sears of Daphne stopped by our studios this afternoon and spoke with Fox 10 News reporter Derica Williams.
I'm so sorry. I'll never be able to say it enough.
Despite this accused cop killer's remorseful statement, words can't change the past. Tuesday night, Richard Joseph Hollingsworth and his girlfriend left their home on Hamilton Creek Drive and headed to the Tyler Ridge Apartments for a confrontation.
My girlfriend had been beaten by a couple other girls out that apartment complex earlier that evening. Showed up to save my girlfriend. Guy told us to leave with a gun on his hip. I got really scared and I pulled a pistol out and shot him.
That guy was Officer Brandon Sigler. The suspect just turned 18.
I think he was genuinely sorry.
Although Sigler's gun was still holstered when he was shot, Hollingsworth's attorney Jim Sears claims his client was defending himself.
This officer, who was not in uniform, did not have a badge, and did not identify himself as an officer, approached them in an aggressive manner, and in order to protect himself, he fired a shot at the officer.
The suspect is now facing capital murder charges, which Sears thinks is excessive.
And I understand that, but he was, he's providing security in exchange for a relationship that he had with the apartment complex, not necessarily one that he had with the police department.
Sears says he wants to talk with witnesses and head to the scene. He says he has a lot to investigate, as police claim his client used a Ruger 380, which was stolen from a sheriff's deputy, to commit the crime.
Look at the details and where the information came from. We need to find out where the gun came from, whether or not it was even in his possession. It was obviously in his possession at the time he pulled the trigger, but if somebody else provided it, we don't know all of that. We have to look into that. Right now, he's presumed innocent. It's an allegation that's been made against him.
An allegation that was life-changing for many. Reporting from Mobile, Derica Williams, Fox 10 News.
And Hollingsworth is actually in the Baldwin County Jail tonight. That's because Officer Sigler's mother is a corrections officer at the Mobile County Metro Jail.